Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are embarking on a journey to create a dessert that's both comforting and refreshing. The delightful fruit custard. Made with a creamy custard base and a burst of fresh fruits, this dessert is a perfect treat for any occasion. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. A rainbow of fresh fruits will add a burst of flavor and color to our custard. You can add any of your favorite fruits and nuts to this custard, like strawberries, mangoes, raspberries and kiwis. Custard powder is a versatile ingredient that helps us create a smooth and creamy base for our dessert. We'll whisk it together with milk, sugar and a hint of vanilla extract to create a rich and indulgent custard. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a pan, add 1 liter full fat milk, add 100 grams sugar, 2 teaspoon vanilla essence, whisk it and allow it to simmer. Make sure the flame is on medium to low. Then take 4 tablespoon custard powder and add half cup room temperature milk. Mix it until it is nice and smooth. Something like this. When the milk is just about to simmer, slowly add the custard mix, whisking it continuously. Whisk it until it gets nice and thick. Make sure the flame is on medium to low. Otherwise the custard will burn at the bottom. As you can see that the custard is getting nice and thick. Make sure the consistency is something like this. It is like a sauce consistency. Then simply strain the custard. And then cover the custard with cling film. Touching the surface of the custard. If you do this, then the skin will not form on the surface of the custard. Then allow it to cool down at room temperature and refrigerate it for about 6 to 7 hours. So I just took the custard out of the fridge. Then simply remove the cling film. As you can see, the custard is nice and thick. Then whisk the custard until it is nice and smooth. So the custard is ready and the consistency is perfect. Make sure it is something like this. Then add 1 cup apples cut in small cubes, 1 cup pomegranate, add some cashew nuts. At this point you can add any of your favorite fruits and nuts. Then give this a nice mix. And there you have it guys, a delicious and refreshing fruit custard, the perfect dessert to end a meal or enjoy as a snack. With its creamy texture and burst of fruity flavors, it's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Don't forget to experiment with different fruits to create your own unique flavor combination. And if you're feeling adventurous, then you can even add a scoop of ice cream or a sprinkle of chopped nuts for an extra indulgent touch. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.